Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can sign up or create your own account on the Subway. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.subway.com. Once you do so, you will be redirected to its homepage. So once you're on its website, you need to simply click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on the profile icon, you will be redirected to its sign-in page. So now you need to click on Join Now Don't Have an Account option. Once you do so, you need to now simply type in your phone number, and after typing in your phone number, all you need to do is scroll down below and click on the next option. So after pressing next, you will be asked to fill in your email address. So once you fill in your email address, you need to press the next button again and create a password for your account. So following the password, you need to create a strong password for your Subway account. So after you are done with creating your password, you need to click on the next option again. And after doing this, you need to fill in your personal information like your first name, your last name, your location, and even your birthday. So once you are done filling in all the information, you need to simply click on Join Subway MVP Rewards and you are done with the account created on Subway. So this is how you sign up on your Subway account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.